Ever wondered how an airplane weighing thousands of pounds can fly through the sky? That's the magic of physics, the study of matter and its motion through space and time. It's the science that unravels the fundamental mechanisms of the universe, from the tiniest particles to the vast expanse of galaxies. It's not just about complex equations or fancy experiments. It's about understanding the very fabric of our world. Physics might sound complicated, but it's simply about understanding how the world around us works. Imagine you're tossing a ball in the air. Ever thought what makes it come back down? Let's dive into the concept of gravity to answer that. In the simplest terms, gravity is the force that pulls objects towards each other. It's like an invisible string that tethers everything together. Consider the ball you just tossed. It goes up, reaches a peak, and then what? It comes back down, right? But why? The answer is gravity. This invisible force is what pulls the ball back down to Earth. It's as if the Earth's saying, "Hey, you belong here with me." Now you might wonder, why doesn't the ball stay up there or drift away? Well, that's because the Earth, being much bigger, has a stronger gravitational pull. It's like being the most popular kid in school. Everyone wants to hang around. But here's the thing about gravity, it isn't picky. It doesn't only pull balls back to Earth, it pulls on all objects all the time, everywhere. From the smallest dust particle to the largest star in the galaxy, gravity is at work. It's a fundamental force of nature that governs how objects move and interact with each other. It's why planets orbit the sun, why the tides ebb and flow, and why we don't float off into space. So the next time you see an object fall, remember it's the invisible force of gravity at work. You turn on a light and instantly the room brightens. But how does that happen so quickly? Well, let's dive into the magic of light and unravel this mystery. When we talk about the speed of light, we're referring to a mind-bogglingly fast pace. Light zips around at a whopping speed of about 186,000 miles per second. That's fast enough to go around the Earth 7.5 times in just 1 second. Now that's seriously speedy. This incredible speed is precisely why, when you flick on a light switch, the room illuminates instantly. The light bulbs emit photons, tiny particles of light that race around at this breakneck speed. These photons bounce off objects in the room, and some of them find their way into your eyes. This all happens so rapidly that our brain perceives it as instantaneous. Now imagine you're in the kitchen at night, and you're about to grab a snack from the fridge. As soon as you open the fridge door, the light inside turns on. That light isn't just making your midnight snack hunt easier, it's a demonstration of one of the fastest things in the universe in action. Light speed not only makes our everyday lives more convenient, but also allows us to observe the universe around us. It is this speed that brings us the light from distant stars and galaxies millions of light years away. Remember, every time you flip a light switch, you're witnessing one of the fastest things in the universe in action. In just a few minutes, we've unraveled some of the mysteries of the universe. We've taken a thrilling journey through the wonders of physics, breaking down complex concepts into bite-sized pieces of knowledge. Let's take a moment to revisit what we've learned. We kicked things off by diving deep into the concept of physics. We discovered that physics is not just a subject in school, but a fundamental science that explains the natural phenomena around us. It's the language of the universe, and it speaks through mathematical equations. Next, we grappled with the force of gravity. We learned that this invisible force not only keeps our feet planted firmly on the ground, but also governs the motion of planets around the sun. It's the glue that holds the universe together. Then we zoomed into the magic of light. We learned that light travels at a mind-boggling speed, covering a staggering distance of 7.5 times around the Earth in just 1 second. We even touched on how light can behave both as particles and waves, adding another layer of intrigue to this radiant phenomenon. We encourage you to delve deeper into these fascinating concepts. There's a whole world of physics waiting to be discovered, and you're just at the beginning of this exciting journey. So the next time you toss a ball or flip a light switch, remember the fascinating physics at play. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more intriguing insights into our universe. Stay curious and keep exploring.